In dreamland, the fairy watches the celestial message, a promise that every tiny dream will shine. She says, keep dreaming, keep discovering. Subscribe for more tiny DreamLoom stories, a promise of wonders yet to come.